Florida. Isn't it great? You have Florida men, and more importantly, you have hurricanes. And currently, we have something called Hurricane Ian. First off, silly name, really cringe. Second off, we're gonna go play games in it. Because we're introducing today, the Hurricane Olympics.
Woo, yeah, wow.
Is it safe? Of course it is. We've got a highly trained group of professionals on our team. Okay, we're gonna go now. Wow, that was a really cool transition. But we gotta get into the first game, which is gonna be Spike Ball. Yeah!
This game's freaking rigged. Ow. Yeah! Woo! There you go.
So here's the deal. When filming the other events, it may have time-lapsed. It may have been put into time-lapse mode. So I'll show them behind me for sure. But that's not exactly exciting. So I'm just gonna tell you the results right now of who won. And it wasn't me. I got crushed in absolutely every event. I lost to him.
I destroyed him every single event.
So I wish to crown you with the world's biggest Florida man. Congratulations! Everyone, meet my grandmother. Outfit check. How's it look?
Good.
It looks good. Speak to the camera as well.
It looks good.
So they can hear. So, we're gonna have coffee. But first, let's show you our super cool handshake we've been working on.
Cheers.
That was amazing. Yeah! Hey guys, we're here at the Breast Cancer Awareness Pickleball Tournament and we're gonna win, essentially. So,
yeah.
Here's the teams. That was such a cool transition, I
Really
swear.
cool.
Go!
This was not scripted.
Very good, guys. Those are our real life fans right there. Grandmom and I lost, but we did really good.
Tanya and I lost, but we still got a match. We can hopefully make it back. Hopefully. Well, we'll see.
He's a loser.
Yeah. This is now the men's division, and we're in the finals. Look, this is the people we're playing.
Thanks for watching.